All right, my friends, today we have an interesting follow-up video on the Speck case that I have. So for those of you that haven't watched that video, I went ahead and recommended the Speck case, or at least said it's my favorite case for the Galaxy Z Fold. One of the things that I ended up running into is the fact that the case ended up breaking on this edge. I think probably because, one, it's not really secured against the side here, and you end up actually picking it up quite frequently. But both sides ended up breaking, so I had to send an email over to Speculative Design and let them know that I was trying to utilize the limited warranty that they offer. They ended up messaging me back the next day saying they forwarded it to their warranty team and that I'd end up hearing back, but I didn't end up hearing back. Ironically, or not really ironically, I just went and checked the mail today as I moved back to Colorado, got my Colorado driver's license, and was excited to pull that out of the mail, and ended up having the box that you're seeing right here sitting there in the mailbox. So I don't know how quickly that this got to me. Sorry for not being able to pull that. I guess I can probably check the tracking number after I make this video and give you an idea of how quickly I got it and what the turnaround time was after I reached out about the warranty. But this will also give us an opportunity to see what the case looks like as, I don't remember if they call it an anti-yellowing guarantee, but they say that this case isn't going to yellow. Well, would you look at that? Speaking of clear guarantees, it is right here on the packaging. Look at this. I have seen a little bit of what I think might be some discoloration around the tops and bottom. So I'm excited to see what everything looks like. And so we're just going to get straight into the unboxing here, with my monologue now being finished. We're going to discard this paper, or at least vet it real quick to make sure that it doesn't have my address on it. And it does. So we're not going to show that, but essentially it was just a confirmation receipt that it was a warranty spec case that was sent to me. This time, I'm ready to not make myself look like an idiot, and we're going to pull the case out this way. So let's see the difference in the new case and the old case. Unfortunately, the camera doesn't capture it super well, but honestly, they look very similar. Very, very mild discoloration on the left side case, but that's pretty good. You can already see my oily fingerprints on the back side of this. Gross. Well, not gross, but whatever. Anyway, let's just pop this on. Boom. Take that sticker off. See if I can get it off my finger. Open this bad boy up. Try to actually put this on without breaking it. And there you have it. Wow. Super easy, super painless, easy, breezy, beautiful. That's a CoverGirl slogan. My sister used to watch it all the time growing up, for those of you that don't have older sisters. But sweet. For some reason, this feels better than the first case. I don't know. Just has no give to it. I wonder if the give came with using the case for an extended duration of time, but obviously this could pose problematic again. However, looks nice. Very, very, very mild discoloration, which is what we like to see. So overall, I'm pleased. Speck, thanks for honoring your warranty.